All right, fam, just filled up 30 bucks. I'm telling you, every day, 10 gallons a day of ethanol. That's just how it is. Look how dirty this pump is, god damn. At least the radio isn't bumping today. Might get a copyright strike. $2.69, not bad. Let's get at it. Arsenal play Real Madrid in a week in the Champions League. This will be crazy. Crazy game. Last time we played them, Thierry Henry was playing for us. Alright. Let's go. Alright, fam, what is good? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. Valves are already open. I'm gonna take a quick drive to the car wash. It is muggy outside. Had a storm pass through. Maybe the valves are closed. All right, there we go. With these conditions, I'm gonna keep it in all-wheel drive, guys. It's a really nice RS5. See if I can double check what it looks like on the iPad real quick. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Maybe adjust it up a little bit. There we go. It's nice to have a live preview. Good fam, welcome back to Unlockable Character. If you've been watching my content, you already know that there's so much money out there. The problem is people just don't know how to go out and get the money, get their businesses started, okay? All of that changes today. I want you to stop watching and start doing. I want you to become a business owner. I want you to become knowledgeable about trading, investing. I want you to be able to join like-minded individuals who are leveling up. So today I am launching an exclusive offer for a private community where you will get one-on-one access to me, 4 monthly calls, exclusive resources, and a like-minded community of individuals who are leveling up, who are scaling their businesses. So what can you look for in this exclusive offer? There's going to be many topics that are covered. How to start a business. We're going to be covering drop shipping. We're going to be covering e-commerce. Do you want to go to merchandise? Do you want to go into car parts? We're going to be covering how to monetize on Instagram, Facebook, Meta, TikTok, YouTube. If you want to become a content creator, we will specially focus on YouTube and how to grow there. Personally, you're getting advice from someone who grew to 40,000 subscribers in a year and monetized at a rate of going from $100 in March to $3,000 in October of the same year, monthly revenue. Okay, this is really life-changing advice. This can replace your 9-to-5 and you can break free of the matrix. All right, guys, the people who will be taking part of this exclusive community are those who are going to be leveling up in their lives, those who are going to leave their 9-to-5s behind, those who want to buy and customize an individual car that gets delivered to them while building a network of incredible individuals who they can socially connect with and build wealth with. So if that sounds like someone you want to be, click the link below, apply to be part of the community. All right, guys, this is life-changing. Let's go. That's crazy. We still got the preview going. Let's see. I've been trying to make sure that it looks good, guys. I think it still looks good. Yeah, it still looks good. Had to tighten the GoPro strap a little bit. It was loose. Too much of momentum. Again, there was no reason for the traffic there. It's not like there was more volume. People just slowed down. retards. Move. All right, guys, that was lit as fuck. I'm gonna cap it there, all right? Let's go.